Okay, this is the plane that is going to Leh, Najab, and it's been advertised on the media, social media. Finally, we get to experience this now here. Thank you very much. This is the plane that's flying to Najab 737. Good afternoon, yes. Alright, here we go. That's your original brand painting. The original one. Oh, thank you. That's the one that's been advertised all this time. So now we got a chance to finally hop on it and travel to Leh today. Okay, this is your aeroplane here in Jackson's International Terminal. We're about to board this plane for Leh. Hi everybody. The original, uh, you know, 50 years anniversary of New Guinea, and this aeroplane to board. So here we go. Thank you very much. Hello. About to board this plane now for Leh City. This is your favorite Airbus. Wow. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is wonderful. Thank you. Good afternoon. Thank you very much. Wow. I just boarded the new 737 for Leh. Very nice, spacious. There's my ticket. Let alone my ticket here. And wow, very spacious. You can look out the window.